o nwere inu ndị Igbo na-atụ na asị ọ bụrụ na ihe ọnụ na-ata gwụrụ na ntị adịghị ezu ike. If ihe gbasara this next year's election, general election, all the very, very important, all the very, very vital. Ya na-agba kịta bụ egwu nchichasị anya.
Ntị ọ dịkwanụ? Ntị ọ dịkwanụ? Biko geenụ ntị na ọkwa dị oke mkpa. Biko geenụ ntị. Ngwa ka anyị ga-ihe nwoke a kwuru, biko na ọ ga-enyere anyị aka ka ị decide ya ma ị chọọ ịtụ vootu ka ọ bụ na ị chọghị ịtụ vootu. Biko geenụ ntị, anyị ga-amụta ọtụtụ ihe n'ihe nwoke a kwuru ebe a. Ngwa nke ọ dị.
And if you do not know, I can just will take this important update. If you do not know, presidential and national assembly elections, Gabon 16th of January. All the important 16th of January. That is immediately after the Abasari December. If a lot of people gone on southeast, so obuni mano muri keep na southeast we or close to that time, because go and change your voting location. All the very, very important, so that you go on southeast, you to vote, you can go back. One, or ni mane akukwe being no na intimidation. That now intimidate voter. Maybe if you vote when you be intimidated, like some parts of Lagos and all that. Go and change your voting location, so that you get the opportunity of December season, Christmas season, northern and southeast. You could low down after child vote, then you can go back. You will not be January. You will wake do that 16th. All the very, very important. It's what the sacrifice. It's what they sacrifice, because some of these things in them, some if benanya to again on ante. All these things where they happen, no matter the corner. And before we do something, your vote counts. Your vote counts. So London has a rigging has been in part of a political system. You understand? But not voting at all is, you are simply making it easier for these people to continue. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm for them Batarima, if I say another year vote, another year, and how put those logic in the when I say to prolong do what you have to do. I hear they say no na ya na born on abatakwa. Every day is a change ways. You talk to each guys that way, but one day it continues like so. The effort continues until they want to. That is the point. When you go back, maybe that day, food work and money, go and vote, then go back. It's what the sacrifice. And then the Ghana assistant there, I can't see no one and the Oga. No, Yokita and one was an age out. Makeburu was by Moya. He may imagine 100 nobody anonymous. Don't wait until it happens to you. You know, business and one time and all that. We got with the voter's card and I'm not going to go and vote that day. And oh, boss, yoga, Nigeria will happen to you. Also, everybody neighbor don't happen quite. And when you go, you're 3 years, this will be an eye. So please, another better information, Bona. Voters registration is ongoing now for people anywhere of voters card. Go now. Nke the last phase of it. Nke the final phase of it. Obido na I think 10th or 11th May. Obido. Oge ending na 10th of July. Obido on 11th of May. I think Oge ending na 10th of July. Yeah, thereabout. So it is the last phase. Obuni voters registration. Obuni change your voting location to southeast. You have the opportunity now. Obuni and Kegine correction many vote the last time because of errors and go and correct it now. Obuni will be 18 years last time after the election. Mani will go 18 years that go and get your voters card. Go and sort it out. Go and get it. Hane bido in all INEC offices. Local government, state, in all their offices, go there and sort it out. And they open 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. every day except on holidays. All the very, very important. Ka anyị mee ihe anyị tosiri ime. And to start with, share go to this video. Share go to this video so that it will get across to all well-meaning Nigerians.
Anyị abịagokwa na njedebe ihe onyonyo a. Kedu ihe iche? Yes, mụnwa so na ndị so na mama ntụkwa vote na mama ntụ nke atụrụ atụ. Kedu ihe atụta? Nke atụrụ atụ, eso m na ndị na-ekwu nke atụrụ atụ. Kedu ihe atụta? Kịta maazịkwa m ihe nwoke a kwuru. Gị nwa kedu ihe iche bụ? Iche na ị ga-atụ vootu a ka ọ na-ema ntụ ya? Ka m mara ihe iche n'ihe onyonyo a. Maka ka m gechara nwoke a ndị nsị anyway, ka m jee tụọ ọnụ. A ga-eji mgbagbu ghara ọgụ ntam ihe nwoke a kwuru. Ka m mara ihe iche n'ihe onyonyo a. Biko ichezọkwa na like, ishare, subscribe. Daalụ.